We're all doing great. So, doing the makeup video, I realized that the section we had last time, some parts were not recorded. So, I'm just trying to do a recap of it here. So sorry about that. That was due to the software that I used to doesn't capture everything very well. So, I'll be cleaning this data, right? I'm going to click anywhere inside the box. I'm going to come to my data tab, come to my data come to my get and transform data, then click my get data from table or range. So I'm going to click it. Yes, I'll click OK. So my Power Query is going to open up for me, right? As we can see, the data is loading. Data is loading. So here is the data, and I can see in this data set now we have the name, the address. Let me expand it. We have the gender, the age inside just one column. So we need to split this into individual columns. So how do we go about that? And that is where data cleaning comes in. And now am I going to do that? I'm just going to click this column, come to my add column, then go to my column from example. So here I'm making use of what I can say like AI in Power Query. I will just be making use of it. It's very fast, it's very efficient, and there might be a better approach still to use, right? But this is one I can actually think of now. Right? When we are working on our own and you saw it on that approach, feel free to share with me as I would love to learn from us too. So I want to extract the name first. So what am I going to do is I'm going to type the name. And also when I'm typing the name, it's case sensitive. So I'm only typing only the name. Then I press my enter. You can see now, for me now, I have extracted the name from this data. Then I'm going to click OK. You can see now, I have my name now. Next one is that I want to extract the address. So I'm going to click this column, come to column from example, then go to this place. Since I want to extract the address, I'm going to start from the address number 22 Fioye Crescent. Surulere, just the same way that we have it, the same way that we are going to type it. Lagos, Agege. Okay, it's not there. So stop at Lagos. I'm going to press enter. Can you see now? I have it. But if you notice that somewhere is showing age 18, age here, what I need to do in that kind of sense, I'm going to come to this one here, then erase it off. So what I'm doing here, just like I'm training my AI that, oh, this is kind of data that I wanted. So the more I'm editing and fine tuning it, the more the AI inside this PowerPoint is going to understand what I'm trying to do. So I'm done. I press enter. Can you see now? That has removed all the age and all that. Now I'm done with the street. So I'm going to click OK. So now it's left for me to do what? To extract the age and the gender. What am I going to do again? Same approach I've been using. Click here, column from example. So to make my work easier, right? So I'm just going to do age 17. Then I press enter. I can see here now, it's not giving me age here. So in this kind of case, I'm going to double click inside here, delete this one here, and then type the exact value age 18. So like I stated earlier, I'm training my AI. Can you see now I have a perfect one now, right? I'm going to click OK. So what is left for me now is to what? Is to extract the gender. So I'm going to come here to again, column from example. I'm going to type here gender male. Gender male. Click OK. Can you see now some places here now it's not giving me anything. I'm going to come here and type inside here now say gender female. Press enter. Can you see now everything is now perfect now, right? Then I'll click OK. So what I need to do next is that I'm going to remove all the columns that I did not need again. First, right? I don't need, okay, let me select the ones that I need. So I need this one, which is the registration date. I need this one, which is the name. I need this one, which is the address. I need this one, which is the age. I need this one, which is what? Which is the gender, right? I'm going to come to my home, go to my remove columns, then I'll say remove other columns. I don't need them. So these are the columns that I need, right? So I'm going to come here now. I'm going to split this age and number. I'm going to split it. I'm going to come to my split columns, go by delimiter. So we have various options, but here it has already detected that the space that is actually common here. So that's why by default it's selected state for me. So in case your own, if you have any other delimiter sign that you want to use, you can pick if it's equals to, but if it's not, you can click custom and type that particular word, that particular delimiter, maybe semicolon or anyone, but this one is space, so I'm just going to click OK. Can you see now? It has removed the what? It has removed the space for me. So I'm going to come to this gender. So I'm going to do the same thing for gender. So I'm going to come here to do by space 2. So click OK here. So yeah, so there is something I did which I shouldn't have done. This place when I was removing other columns, I should have done it last. So when we are trying to practice our own, when we are done with all the clean, then we should remove the columns so that our numbers of steps will not be much, right? Because this time around now, I will have to remove these two columns again, this gender and age. Then I'm going to click remove columns, right? What next for me to do is to rename the column. Then start gender. Then this one should be age now. Age. This one should be address. Then this one should be, oh, sorry. This one should be address. This one should be name. Right. And this one can be registration date. So with this now, we have successfully cleaned this data. I've attached the previous video. We can see the practice data sets. Let's practice, and anytime we have any question, let's be free to reach out. I will definitely be glad to help us to assist. So you can see now we've cleaned this data now. Data now makes a lot of sense to us now. Thank you everyone. See us next time. Bye.